Alright, B7?
Yes.
Come on, man.
Yo, what are you guys playing?
Battleship.
Y'all seriously playing Battleship?
Yeah, what's wrong with Battleship?
Nah. Power Ship. Yeah.
Power Ship.
Only Pete gaming.
Okay. Can you show us how it works?
Of course. Follow me. All right, dog. Ready to play some Power Ship?
Yeah, boy.
All right, let's get started.
Ooh, what's Pao Mode?
Don't worry about that. We'll get to that later.
Okay.
I gotta place my shift, dog. You can't look.
Oh, man.
One eternity later.
All right, come place your shift, dog. I'll be fair. I'll get up too.
One eternity later.
Let's play.
All right, let's get it, bro. All
I think it's your turn.
right, let's see. You'll never beat me, dog. Oh.
Man.
Nice.
Oh, man.
Told you, dog. Can't beat me in my own game.
But what about Pao Mode?
Pao Mode, you say? Vladimir, we offer you as tribute to Pao Mode. It's alright. Don't cry. It's time. It's time. Let's go. Pao Mode. Have at it. Don't worry, guys. He'll be just fine. You got this. Have all faith.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine. And you're not really fine. You just can't get into it because they would never understand.
And this is Pao'er Ship.
Power Ship.
C5.
Yo, what are you guys playing?
Battleship.
Battleship.
Y'all seriously playing Battleship?
Yeah, what's wrong with Battleship?
Nah. Power Ship!
What's Power Ship?
Clearly.
Alright, B2.
Yes.
Yo, what are you guys playing?
I still haven't hit one, bro. B7.
Yes. Vlad, stop laughing, dude.
Alright, B2.
Yes.
Yo, what are you guys playing?
Battleship.
Y'all seriously playing Battleship?
Yeah, what's wrong with Battleship?
No.
I can't.
It doesn't help when you're
No,
You can't laugh, you're closer to the camera.
it's the side that's so funny. It's like, I'm right.
Alright, you can